Hey everyone, welcome back to English Made Easy.
Hi guys, this is Bella. And Nico, are you okay?
Yeah, why?
You're sitting down like a 90-year-old. Did you fall down the stairs or what?
I wish. At least that would be a good story. No, I just tried to play football yesterday.
Football? Since when are you into football?
Recently. I'm trying to get into it.
Okay, so tell me why you're in pain and why you suddenly get into football.
So, my neighbors play every Sunday. For months, they kept saying, "Come join us, it's fun." I always said, "Maybe next week."
Which means no in adult language.
Exactly. But last week, I finally said yes. I thought, it'll be fine. I walk a lot. I'm not that out of shape.
Famous last words.
The first 5 minutes were okay. Then we started running for real, and I realized I am extremely out of shape.
How bad was it?
Let's just say my lungs and my legs stopped being friends. After one sprint, I was like, guys, I'll just stay near the goal and exist.
So you're trying to get into football and your body is trying to get out of it.
Pretty much. At one point, I wanted to just walk off the field and go home. I thought, this is embarrassing. Maybe I should just quit and never talk about this again.
But you didn't, right?
No. One of the guys came over and said, "Look, everyone starts out of shape. Just push yourself a little, then rest. Don't disappear after one game."
That's a good friend.
So I decided to push myself. Not crazy, just a bit. One more run, one more pass. Try to stay until the end.
Did it help?
Yeah, I was still slow, but in the last game, I actually scored a goal. Everyone cheered, and suddenly I thought, okay, maybe I can stick with it.
I like that. From I can't breathe to I scored, I'll stick with it.
Exactly. Now I try to play every Sunday. I'm still out of shape, but less than before. And I'm really starting to get into football now. Now, what about you? You look like someone who's been sporty for years.
I used to be. I played badminton all the time. After school, at the local court, weekend matches with friends.
Of course you did.
Then life happened. Work, emails, late nights. I stopped playing just for a few weeks, and that became 2 years.
Let me guess. You only realized how bad it was during a game.
Exactly. My colleagues organized a friendly badminton match. I thought, no problem. I used to be good. After 2 rallies, I was dying. I was so out of shape, I missed the easiest shots.
The shuttlecock went one way, you went the other.
Yes, I was late to every shot, sweating like crazy and breathing like I just ran a marathon. My brain remembered the moves, but my body said, nope.
That must have been a shock.
It was. On the way home, I thought, I love badminton. I don't want it to just be a memory. The next weekend, I walked past the local court and thought, okay, today I make a comeback.
A badminton comeback. I like it.
I booked one court with an old friend and said, look, I'm out of shape, I will be slow, but I want to make a comeback.
How did that first comeback game go?
Terrible and great at the same time. I missed a lot, my legs were shaking, but I stayed for the full hour.
That's big.
After that, I told myself, if you really want this, you have to stick with it. Once a week, no excuses.
So, you did?
Yeah. Now every Saturday morning, I'm back on the court. I still need to push myself, especially when the alarm goes off. But every week, I feel a little less out of shape and a little more like the old me.
I love that. Your comeback isn't about winning a tournament. It's about not losing that part of you that loves badminton.
Exactly. Sometimes sport is just a way to respect who you are when you play.
So our sports stories are pretty similar.
Yeah, you're trying to get into a new sport, football. I'm trying to make a comeback to an old one, badminton.
We're both a bit out of shape, we both have to push ourselves, and if we want to see change, we have to stick with it.
Let's go through today's phrases one more time. First one, get into a sport.
It means you start to like it, and you start doing it more often. At first, it's new and strange, and then one day you realize, oh, I actually enjoy this.
Like you with football. You didn't care before, but now you really get into it. Second, out of shape.
That's when your body is not used to exercise. You get tired quickly, you feel heavy, stairs feel like a mountain.
Example, both of us were out of shape. You on the football pitch, me in that first badminton match with my colleagues. Third, push yourself.
It means you tell yourself, okay, one more try. A little longer. Don't stop yet. Not too much, just enough to be proud of yourself.
Your friend told you to push yourself a little in the game, and I had to push myself to book the court again and get up early on Saturday. Fourth, make a comeback.
That's when you return after a break. You used to do something, you stopped, and now you decide, I'm back. It's like your personal restart button.
Example, you decided to make a comeback to your old badminton life instead of just talking about how good you used to be. And the last one, stick with it.
It means you keep going, even when it's hard, boring, or slow. You don't quit after the first painful day.
If we stick with it, you with football, me with badminton, in a few months we won't be so out of shape anymore.
Now, think about your own story with sport.
Is there a sport you'd like to get into? Do you feel a bit out of shape but want to make a comeback? What's one small way you can push yourself this week and stick with it?
If you want to practice, you can write in the comments or record yourself talking about it. Try to use one or two of today's phrases.
And if you're starting to get into learning English again, maybe this is your little comeback too.
You can click on the next episode showing on the screen right now and stick with it for a few more minutes of English.
Let it play while you stretch, walk, or drink water after your workout.
Thanks for listening and moving with us today.
See you in the next episode. Bye for now.